Hi guys, Jubilin Marambel here, and today's video makikain tayo, makiparte-party tayo here at Sky Terrace at Dawson. So dito pala siya mag-party, hindi doon sa bahay niya. So let's go this way. Sky Terrace at Dawson. Punta tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ko guys. It's her birthday party today. So ganito kaganda yung mga bahay nila dito. Ganda diba? Sky Terrace at Dawson. So, ganito guys. Kaya tayo doon na blank sa level 4 siya. So, i-feature muna natin dito guys ang mga bahay-bahay. Super ganda. Na guys, I'm here in this area. Punta tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. It's her birthday party today. So let's party. Makikain tayo guys. Tara this way. Hi! Area guys. Ano pala siya mag-party? So ganito kaganda dito sa Sky Terrace. Dawson place. So, nandito tayo sa baba. Kaya tayo mamaya. It's a beautiful sunny day. So, dito pala sila mag-party. Hindi sa bahay niya. Actually, doon bahay niya sa kabila. So, puntahan natin dito na area guys. Aakyat tayo dito na side. Pakit-akit tayo dito. So, keep on watching. Aakyat tayo dito na area. It's a bright sunny day. So, Precinct Pavilion. Asan si Sis Marit? Nandoon pa sa bahay nila. Oh wow, mabuti nakita ko kayo. Akit sana ako doon. Dito na ako magbantay. Yay! Pagkain guys. Puto. Yes. Ano to?
Biko.
Biko. Bihon. Ano to? Wow. Adidas guys.
Kanin.
Kanin. Okay, yeah. Dito lang ako. Biko. Adidas guys. Sure. Adidas guys. Okay, antayin ko lang kayo dito. Pipino. Anong ilagay mo dyan, te?
Chili. Parang
chili. Oh.
Korean salad.
Korean salad style. Ayan siya, guys. At iakyat ko kayo dito. I-tour muna kayo dito, guys. Kasi, prepare pa sila ng pagkain. But show you around this area. Maganda dito. Punta tayo sa upper level. here at Sky Terrace at Dawson. Ayan siya kaganda. Pagkatay natin dito. And that's the Sky Built Terrace over there, guys. And this is all the buildings here. Pwede tayo dito daan lang. It's a sunny day, but it looks like going to rain. Wow, grass. Oh, they cut the grass around this area. This is the view here. Sky Terrace at Dawson. This is Block 91. So, lakad-lakarin natin dito na area. Sarap ng hangin, guys. Sarap ng hangin dito na area. So, guys, dito na akong side. Dito tayo. Ikutin natin. Dito na area. Sa Sky Terrace at Dawson. Dito na tayo. Naglilinis sila. Nagtitrims. They're trimming the plants. My friends stay in this area, guys. They're cleaning up here. Look. Wow. So they're clearing up that side. Dito tayo. It's connected. And there's level. So ganito na siya, guys. Nandito tayo na side now. Wow, it's so beautiful, right? Here at Sky Terrace at Dawson. So there's exit here. To this side. Gonna take leave. Going down. Let's go down. I'm on the level 1 na guys. Nandito ako sa go tayo ulit. Pabalik tayo. Ito na tayo sa baba. Sa taas ako kanina. And this is their car parks area. It's quite dark. The car parks area. And this way. Things here. Let's go back this side. Let's go up this way. Balik tayo. Parang nag-ikot-ikot lang. Just go one round around. And this is the beautiful water. On this side. Umakyat tayo ulit. Papunta doon. And that's it guys. It's really beautiful, right? And we go back. Salas yung ginawa nila guys. Wow.
Sa elevator na yun, yung mga kainan doon na pumasok ka doon. May blood, yung sa may blood.
Sa dulo, sa...
Linggo-linggo.
Guys, buko salads. Uy, ang lamig. Wow. Macaroni salad, guys. Wow. Dito na. Lamig kayo.
Ano yung ating happy birthday kanina sa ilagay mo yung happy birthday ate.
Oh, Edie, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Guys, we
Ice cream yummy.
Here. So, balik na din tayo dito sa banda na area. So, thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.